Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 3 of my formal nail art series. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a really bold geometric design. So if you want to see how it's done, please keep on watching. I'm going to start by applying a base coat to all of my nails and then one coat of a black polish. Here I'm using Oil Slick by Salon Perfect. Then I'm going to apply a fast drying top coat and let that dry completely. Once my nail is completely dry, I'm going to apply 2 pieces of tape to my nail to create a narrow V shape. I'm also going to add a third small piece just above my nail to make cleanup a little easier. Today I'll be using some loose glitter from bornprettystore.com. I'll leave some links down in the description below along with my discount code so you can get 10% off your purchase. Next I'm going to apply a few drops of top coat onto a piece of paper and dip a piece of a makeup sponge into the top coat and then into the loose glitter. I'm going to sponge the glitter directly onto my nail and then remove the tape as soon as I'm done. Then I'm going to apply a fast drying top coat to seal in the loose glitter. This last step is completely optional, but I decided to add a matte top coat over the black polish just so that the glitter stands out a little bit more. Here's the finished design with the glossy top coat, and here it is with a matte top coat. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. And if you missed my latest video or you want to see the other videos in this series, you can click your screen or the links in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!